Hey folks, welcome back. What did you ask for? I'm doing it again. I know how much you enjoy watching the struggle, the grind, growing small deposits. So today I decided to give you just that. Base deposit, $10, a new challenge. Let's see once again how well Impulse Sniper works in action. I also want to test myself across different time frames today, but first hit the like button and stay until the end. Let's see how this ends. Let's go! Alright friends, we start with $10 on 5-second trades across time frames. We'll begin with a quick warm-up using Impulse Sniper based on Bollinger Band and moving average. Two indicators, combo setup, Bollinger Bands with period 10 and duration 2. I'm tweaking the design, removing the middle line, making the background more pleasant, and yeah, I like it. And moving average now. EMA set period 5. Let's go. Let's find our impulses now. Remember, as impulse is when a candle bounces off the Bollinger Band's boundary and moves up or down depending on the situation. I want to test this on 1 minute, 30 seconds time frames too. And let's start our warm-up with 1 minute. Let's just find a good entry point. Yeah, it looks like it's close. Sometimes longer time frames can offer more signals compared to 5-second charts. And we will start here. One with 30 seconds and one with 5 seconds. I think for this situation, this is the perfect combo. Okay, another one for $5. And another one. Ooh, win 0 already. Okay. Okay, quite tough start, as you can see. Anyway, let's go next. Continuing our experiment on 5 seconds. Oof. Okay. We still have... Let's go all in. $9. To make this video short. Haha, no. That's good, that's good. Important win, guys. We double up. We double up. Let's go next. Another all-in. Okay, it's a good warm-up. Let's try for 20, but for half of minute. And let me also scalp with 5 seconds at the same time. Or maybe not. Let's see. Let's see the market. I do like how this price moved now with $20 deal. That's perfect. We already at 50 x5 our deposit. And let's just choose another pair. I will mix up 5 seconds and 30 seconds. That's what I think I will do in this session. Nothing good here. Oh, we just missed a nice impulse in the previous one. It's okay. Let's continue scanning pairs. This is the most mechanical yet. It's most essential part, but it's highly important. We're just scanning the pairs to find a good entry point, guys. I start with $10, and you see, even from beginning it was already drama. So, as you can see, the wick of this candle touched the Bollinger Band line, so I'm going for 30 seconds for sell position. Looking good for now. Okay, this feels like a solid entry. We've now increased our deposit 7x. Yeah, we're going next. Let's switching the pair. Okay, it's a strong trend, and this is the impulse, this is the signal. I will try to open for 1 minute here. Almost half of our deposit. 1 minute on this trend structure, for me, looks more safe, you know? And let's just watch the candle movements, the good potential. What do I feel about this situation? I want to open another trade for $40 now. All in. I'm feeling good about this bonds. Go up, go up. Yeah, just 40 cents now. Could be taking profit on 5 seconds here too, but still tight on balance. Okay, now we have $58 and one really good trade. Let's wait when $40 will finish this movement. Boom, shaka! Guys, we just hit the first goal, $100. So it's 10x from our first numbers, even more. Okay, now I feel more free to open another trade for 30 seconds and we'll scalp a bit with 5 seconds. As many of you know already, because it's a lot of videos on this channel, this strategy works beautiful for short bars like 5 seconds and also for 1 minute and for 30 seconds. Today it's my new experiment. I don't like it so far. Okay, another profit, another win. Another 5-second trade, it's also possible. We passed 200, guys, that's a 20x increase from our start. I love it. Oof. Okay, it's minus $100 for half of minute. And let me do 5 seconds as well. Going good. We're going good. Boom. Someone messaging me on Telegram. I will answer later, guys. But I will answer. I will answer to everyone who will send me message on my Telegram. If you need promo code, text me. If you need advice, text me. If you want daily sessions like this, just follow my VIP Telegram channel and follow my single Telegram channel. It's a lot of things. Every morning, I wish you good morning. I do some nice articles. I read a lot and try to make it in short posts about philosophy of trading, psychology of trading. Well, guys, it's a lot of fun there, believe me. Oof. So far is not really okay. Important one. And another one, please, 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 please. Don't feel good about this 50, unfortunately. But we already passed 300, which is good. Oh yeah, that's good. We passed 400 now. Well, it was minus. Let me open another one for 100 for sell. Oof, not feeling confident about this trade. Oh, again, all in 250 downward sell position, short. Let's do it. Let's do it. Please, market, don't be so angry with me. Give us some bonuses. We start with $10. Big risk, but perfect signal. Just perfect signal, guys. And yes, nailed it. Well, we recovered our losses. Now I'm confident to open another $100 down trade. And then maybe more. 200, maybe we go to 200 now. Let's just wait for this 100. As you can see, this session crazy. crazy. But as far as you have balance, it's more easy to trade. Okay, 1 minus 2 pluses. So which is mean that we also cover our losses. Okay, let's open 269. I guess a last trade for this episode. Leave your comments if you want me to trade more from the same amount, if you want me to make second episode of this session. For me, it's interesting how far we can go from $10. I hope you also enjoy this journey. Wait. Well, it was good. It was good. $800. Guys, clear. Let's stop for today. Whoa, I think we can wrap up today's episode here. Personally, I liked how this session turned out. Let's start the next one from here, from this very point. I think we warmed up nicely, growing our deposit from 10 to 800. That's an 80x game. I want to keep going, see how far we can take this in part 2. Coming soon. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found it interesting. Remember to always train first on demo and never forget, trading is risky. My videos aim to teach, but most valuable content is in my Telegram channel. Pinned comment, especially the private one. Go there also. Hey, you need promo code. Use Dawit and you will have 50% deposit bonus to your first deposit. And also, if you want 60%, message me on my Telegram. All the links in the description and pinned comments. Stay sharp, stay smart, stay successful, and enjoy your beautiful life. See you in the next one. Peace.